show ya. You should me to call you when you're turning me on.
Are you on?
Baby girl, you're so fine. I can't get you off my mind. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Baby girl, don't need to flex. Dance to the rhythm and you do all the rest. Ooh girl, nah nah. Ooh girl, nah nah. Fly me up with dreams, it's the only thing I need.
Miss you is boy. What you waiting for? Miss you is girl. Okay, it's recording. Go.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again.
Am I talking to the vlog? Is it on? Oh, I'm talking to the vlog. Fem's out here risking it all for the vlog, guys. She's doing it for y'all.
You know how many times I dived under and died? Like 8 times. Like 8 times, bro.
All for the vlog.
For you.
For the vlog.
You know how many times 8 times is? Like a lot.
A lot.
So you know.
So you know. Vlog. Alright, sorry for just coming in and, you know, throwing off the whole vibe of this video. I know you guys were vibing. You were expecting to see more vibes in Cabo, and now here I am just sitting here talking. But don't worry, we're about to get back to the vibes soon. I just had to come in real quick and talk a little bit about this trip. I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to on this trip just because the hotel that I stayed at, here's a picture of the hotel. It was called the Barcelo. The people were amazing. The views were amazing. The pool was amazing. The beach was amazing. But man, I was expecting to be on this trip just eating food, doing all great things, food, you know, a mukbang in the hotel, eating, chilling, walking, eating, chilling, walking. But the food, this is what I was envisioning, right? And this is what I got. It just was not giving what it said it was supposed to give. Oh my god. So yeah, the rest of this vlog is kind of just gonna be a little vibey, you know, a little recap of my trip to Mexico. Sorry, I didn't vlog as much as I wanted to. I wish I vlogged more. But you know what? It's a nice little vibe. You know, it's a nice little... you know what I'm saying? Hit the subscribe button, stay tuned because I'm about to start posting more and I'm about to start taking more trips. But you didn't hear from me. You didn't hear from me. Just subscribe and stay tuned, guys. All right, here we go.
Yeah, tired of sitting and waiting, but every time I open up, there's always someone who lets me down. So give me pain, give me pleasure, I don't mind. It's whatever, all I want is someone to love.
A little chilly?
Oh. This is a nice beach. Go ahead and say something to the vlog. That's it. I'm in the water right now. It's really nice. I'm never coming back. Look. Oh god. The waves are coming. Oh god. They're trying to take me out. It's so pretty. Look at it. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Talk to me nice.